Hi friends and family, welcome back to another clothing haul. Today we're going to be doing Ross and TJ Maxx, and I know, they do not have the same items across the nation or wherever you may be shopping. However, I totally enjoy watching other YouTubers do Ross and TJ Maxx hauls. I love to see what you guys have and what you guys find in your area or your locations. I have a blast watching them, and I'm a huge shopper at these places because they always have great deals and great finds. So I thought I would just share them with you because I am already doing it, and like I said, I love to see it across the board, so I hope you guys will too. If you are interested, then please go ahead and keep watching. For reference, I am exactly 5 feet tall. I am a 32 around the waist, 32 around the waist, which is equivalent to a size 14. Large or extra large, depending on brand. I am a 36 around the bust line, and usually I've been able to fit in some mediums, so anywhere between medium to extra large, depending on brand as well. I also want to share these boots with you guys. These are probably what I'm going to wear every outfit with this video, just because they are so cute. They're like a wedged boot, and they are like a suede material, and look at how cute this little detail is here. These are $24.99. These are actually a 6.5. Now usually I am a 6.5, like with sandals, and then with boots I am a 7, but I'm hoping that these will be able to fit me, so we're gonna try these like I said, with all of our outfits today. The first thing I want to share with you guys is this cute top. This is from Ross. Here is the brand, and the price was $10.99. It is this like cheetah print, silky green top. I thought it was just so beautiful. And then I'm going to pair it with jeans. Now I do think this shirt would look really good with black pants as well, but I wanted to try them with these jeans. Look at how beautiful. I love these jeans. I love the stitching and the raw hem. Like, everything about it is really nice. This says they're a premium fabric. I'm not sure what the deal is with that. And then it has all of these buttons down the line here. So I think it will really hold your gut in. Alright, you guys, here is this outfit. It is so cute. Look at how pretty this shirt is. It is a little bit tight for me. I should have went a size up. However, I measured the shoulders and the bust in the store, and this was what it seemed to be. It's not tight or anything. It's just that you either have to wear an undershirt or pin it. So I did go ahead and pin it for this look, but look at how beautiful. I just think that this shirt, it is so pretty and so adorable. I love this little flowy detail here. It also has like a little slit here to give it that crossover look, so I like that. The jeans are completely comfortable. They were a size 14, and I do love all of the stitching and everything, and the boots fit perfect. I am glad I got the 6.5 instead of a 7. I think a 7 would have been too big. So this was a case where it just worked out perfectly. I love that. And the so I usually have an issue with the distressed being on the knee because I'm so short. This one is perfect. They do slide a little bit down. They are just a tad big, but they are perfectly fine, and I like the fit. So I think this is such a cute outfit. I am so glad. Like, I just love Ross. They just have such fun, cute finds. Okay, I am pleased with this outfit. I think it's really cute. I may have to see if I can exchange this. I know they did have a larger size, so I may end up running to do that because I do like this outfit, and I think it would look really good with black pants. Okay, so the next outfit that I have to share with you guys is one of my favorite brands, Jessica Simpson. I just love the style that she has. It's they're so beautiful and well put together. This material is like the softest thing ever, and I love the color. It has this little like knot detail here at the bottom. I could totally see this as loungewear with a pair of black leggings. So cute. And then we have these jeans here. They are a flare at the bottom, however they are opened as well. So I'm curious to see if these will fit because I am short, so I usually can't do the flare bottoms, but hopefully with these boots it'll be perfect since they have this flare. They can show the detail of the boot without cutting it all the way off. So I'm hoping that this pair I'm really hoping it works out. You guys, this outfit is so fire, I feel like. It is just, actually, it's just so nostalgic. I would have totally wore these jeans in high school. Like, they definitely remind me of the 90s. And I love them. They're so much fun. They definitely did the thing that I wanted them to do. They are just barely touching the ground. Like, if it's rainy outside or snowy, then they're definitely gonna get a little bit dirty, but they are so cute. They do open up and show the boot the way that I wanted them to, so I'm so happy with that. Look at how cute this shirt is. It's so comfortable, it fits so well, and I could live in this sweater. Like, it's one of my favorite materials right now, and definitely I'm going to wear this all winter long, all fall. So yeah, this shirt definitely a win. The pants are so cute. They fit so well also, and I'm really pleased because, like I said, they're not extremely long. I'm able to wear the flare leg. I'm able to show the boot off. So it definitely accomplished both of those goals. So very fun, very fun. Yeah, and I think they're a really good deal. The pants were $14.99, so that's not bad. I think it's a great price for these jeans. So the next outfit I have, this is the last outfit. It's kind of a three-piece type deal I'm gonna do. So I have these black jeans, and they were $14.99. These are a size 14. If you could see that there. They're just a regular jean. They are, I'm not sure if they're regular or skinny. They kind of look like they're probably a skinny jean. So, let's see. Then we have this really cute top. Look at the detail on the shirt here. And then look how cute this sleeve is. It's like a little bit puffy here. And then it's long, like a 3/4 sleeve type shirt. And then I think that we will pair it with this really pretty blazer. And look at the detail here. Look how cute that is. It has pockets. This one was a size, what is that, medium, and oh, this was a size small, but I measured it and it looked like it was going to fit. So we will put all of these together. I'll try and focus on the shirt a little bit by itself just because it's so pretty and has all this detail. And like I said, the camera is not doing it justice for the sleeves. So we'll give that a try. Alright guys, here is what this outfit looks like without the jacket or the blazer on. It's really hard to get that detail for you guys. I don't have the best camera set up at the moment, but look at how pretty and classy that this shirt looks, and it definitely goes like with your curves, and I like that. Same with the jeans. I feel like they do the same thing. They were quite a bit long, especially because they're a skinny jean with the boot. So I rolled them up. I'm not sure if you can see that from there. So I did roll them up, but you can see how cute that the outfit is, just all black. Again, this shirt would just look really good with a pair of jeans. Just really nice to dress something up with. Then we will try this on, and it does have the shoulder pads, so we'll see how that looks. Here's what it looks like with this on. It has the pockets. And I don't know if it's a jacket or a blazer. It's not really blazer material. It's a little bit looser fitting, but look at how cute this detail is on the sleeves. I love that. It makes it so cute. I love this. Like, you look like you're going for a job interview or a very nice dinner date. It's super classy, yet it's very extremely comfortable. So yeah, definitely one of my favorite outfits, and I just think it looks so classy. I know I keep saying that. Anyway, there's that. Now the last item I have is this jacket. I loved this color. I loved the fluffiness of it. It's very soft Shepra in here, or Shepra, however you say it. $24.99. I'm not sure. I think I got this in a large. Here's what the sleeve looks like. And here is the pockets and the zipper. So it's like gold hardware on here. It's very pretty. Oh, this actually says it's a reversible 2-in-1 jacket, so I suppose you can wear this the other way. I wouldn't want to, because this is the warm, fuzzy stuff on the inside to keep you nice and warm. So let's go ahead and give that a try. Alright, you guys, look how cute and comfortable and cozy this jacket is. It is so warm and so soft. I love it. This was such a great purchase, and I love the color because it's just different, and I like being able to have a different color jacket with my outfits and my boots, and you know, I mean, if you know, you know, right? I did find out that since this is reversible, there was some inside pockets as well. I kind of like that sometimes, depending on where we're going, to keep my cell phone on the inside pocket. And then of course I do feel like these pockets should be like this, but they're buttons, so I guess you could do this if you really wanted, but definitely going to keep you warm for the winter weather. So you guys, thank you for joining me on this Ross Marshalls haul. I know at the beginning I said TJ Maxx. I don't know what I was thinking. They're kind of all one and the same, so I guess that's what I must have been thinking in my head. But I hope you enjoyed this haul. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.